going to walk you through how to edit location and profile notification on Google Map. First thing you do is open up Google Map, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner over here, tap on settings, then scroll all the way down to notifications. Once you've gotten to notification, you tap on it and then you tap on location and profile. Now here you can edit location and profile notifications. So Google location for friends, you want to get notified about Google location sharing for your friends, turn it on. If you do not want, turn it off. Don't forget, if you turn it on, you get updates about your friends and their shared location. Turn it off if you want. Then we also have Google Map timeline. Now if you turn it on, it means you get updates about your location history. If you turn it off, you will not get updates about your location history. You can also choose apps only. Then you can go back. The next one we have is commute profile. Tap on it. You will get reminders to update information about your commute preference. If you leave it on, if you don't, if you turn it off, you will not get reminders to update information about your commute preference. Next we have Google location sharing for you. Now you just get updates about sharing your own location. If you don't want this, simply turn it off. Then we also have your maps profile and following. This means you will get updates when your profile has a new follower or receive a follow request. If you do not want this, simply turn it off. Then the last one, new on maps. This is to get occasional updates about new things that you can do on Google Maps. If you want this, leave it on. If you don't want it, turn it off. It's as simple as that. This is how to edit location and profile notification on Google Maps.